Hello world, welcome back to us. We're gonna show you an iPad Air 4 changing screen. This is the part 1, this is the iPad Air 4. Let's dive in. As the first things, you need hitting the surface of the iPad. Remember always to follow us, our channel, our website and everything. We write always article for keep you posted. After you hitting, it reach a little bit of warming point. You need to go edge by edge like this, slide. You need to use it several things. We have it 2-3 tools that they cut the glue edge by edge. It's not really easy, but it's tough. Remember, always like and share and write us a comment. Part 1 done. See you in the next one.